Hi friend, today I show to you the one is the special tool for using the mini bolt cutter, and when any cable wire is thicker, then this tool will be used for the cutting the cable or any nail type, any nail type screw or anything else. You can cut like this one. This is very sharp for cutting the any bolt or screw. This is very useful at the field when you can use every time for cutting the any cable wire, which one will be thicker. Till date, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification when we have uploaded any new videos on this channel.